Foxy Lady.
What's up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. As you can see, today we're going to take a look at the solo section of Foxy Lady by Jimi Hendrix. This was kindly supported and requested by David, a long-time supporter, so big thanks goes out to him. This version of the solo is taken from the first album of Jimi, which is the Are You Experienced, a short version of the song. And speaking of Jimi Hendrix's style of playing, if you hadn't had a chance to check out my big lesson on Jimi's style of playing, which is called Get Experienced, I'm going to post the links in the description box down below. Check them out. It's a huge lesson, in-depth analysis of Jimi's style of playing in 2 parts. So if you're interested, please check that out. For the sound, I was using the same thing, the VST plugin, Guitar Rig. I'm going to show you the picture of the preset in just a moment. And the tuning for this song is going to be half step down on all the strings. And while you are checking out the picture of the preset, I'm going to play you my low E so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go for the close-up and start this lesson. Alright, so we're going to break up the solo into licks and phrases, and before we go into the solo we have these slides. And then we go into the solo itself. So the first phrase goes like this. So we're going to be playing the F sharp minor pentatonic scale. Everything's going to happen here. So the first bend we have on the 17th fret on the B string, adding some vibrato, then we bring it down and then play 14 on the G string. Don't forget the vibratos. Then the next phrase goes. So we have a slide here on the D string into the 16th fret, but kind of stopping before that just for a beat on the 15th fret. Like that, like a passing note. And then we have, so it's pull off 14 to 12 on D, then 12 on A, and then we have 14 on the low E string. So, then the next part. So here we're sliding into the 16th fret on the A string, then we go to D, 14, 16, bend it up, little rest, and then bend it up and bring it back down. So we have 2 bends here. Adding some vibrato. Then we have, so it's picking 16th fret on the D string, then quick hammer on, pull off 14, 16, 14, same string. 16 on A, back to D string, 14th fret. So we have, then we have a little rest. Next phrase goes like this. So G string, 16th fret, bend it up. Then we have 14 B, 14 high E, 17 B, and then you bend it up and add some vibrato. Next part. 14 high E, 17 B, back to high E 14. Then we have 14 on B, 14 high E, and bend up 17th fret. Then bring it down and add some vibrato. Alright, one more time. And then the next part is going to be a bunch of flicks, so it goes like this, slowly. So I'm going to stop right here for now. So we have 14 on high E, 17 on B, back to high E, we have 14, 16, 14, 14 on the B string, then bend on a G16, and then we have this lick which is 14 to 17 on the B string, and then we have a unison bend, G string 16th fret, bend it up, while at the same time picking 14 on the B string. And then we repeat this lick, so we have again, and we do it for 3 times actually. And then we have, so it's after you play the bend 3rd time, the unison bend, then you bend it up again, and then you play 14 to 17, bend it up, and bring it down. Alright, so again from the start of this phrase, it's going to go like this slowly. Then we continue with the so it goes 14 high E, 17 on B, back to high E 14. Then we have another unison bend, 16 on G, 14 on the B string. Then we have 14 B, 14 high E, 17 on B, double stop 14 on high E and the B strings, unison bend, G string 16, B 14, another double stop on the 14 frets, high E and the B strings, and then we have this lick which is played a pull-off 16 to 14 on the G string, 16 on D, and then we go back to the G string 14. Then we go to the next string which is D, and we play the same thing, just going down the pentatonic scale. So we have, so when we get to the A string, instead of going 16 on the low E, obviously you want to play 17 on the low E, just following the scale, the pentatonic scale. And then the last note is going to be a bend on the 14th fret of the A string. So altogether this long lick, long run is going to go like this, slowly. Alright, so here's the whole solo slowly, all of the licks together, goes like this. Alright guys, so that was it for this lesson. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment, share, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar related stuff. Check out the Get Experienced lesson on Jimmy's style of playing. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.